Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and for today's video I'm participating in the Purge. The Purge is an open collab hosted by Kimberly at Diva Design on a Dime, and all the info will be listed below along with a playlist. In this collab, Kimberly is challenging us to go through our home and find things that we want to remove from our home and purge out. So I'm going to share with you the things that I have available to leave my house this week. I actually do a purge every week. I'm constantly collecting things that need to leave my home to be reused by someone else. I have a collection of candlesticks that I got a couple years ago. I really liked them when I purchased them. I was looking for brass, something fancy. This is not brass, and now I have quite a few brass pieces, and I'm ready to move this one along. Those I'm going to put in a housewares consignment store that's near us, and hopefully they'll take them, and hopefully I'll get a couple dollars for those. This pile of clothes right here are clothes that my kids have grown out of, they don't like anymore. Shoes and clothes and a little keychain that was supposed to be for my husband, but it's never been used, so that's going to go on to consignment as well. This little pile right here is just for donation. It's not quite nice enough to go in consignment, so I'm just going to put that in a donation bin. These couple things are also going for donation. There is a secondhand bookstore near us that I absolutely love to go to, so they're going to get this book. And while I'm there, I'm also going to offer them this little set of plastic. These are just plastic nativity pieces. I have a lot of nativities, and I'm just ready to pass this one along. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell for notification of new video uploads. And of course, you're going to want to check out everybody else in the playlist, so check that out. It's linked below. As always, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.